The power of human beings to affect and control and change the environment is growing as our technology grows. And at present time, we clearly have reached the stage where we are capable, both intentionally and inadvertently, to make significant changes in the global climate and in the global ecosystem.
We live in a world enveloped in greenhouse gases. Are they good or bad for our planet? The answer may surprise you. Since Dr. Sagan's testimony on the looming greenhouse gas crisis back in 1985, the world's population has grown by more than 60%. Along with it, hundreds of billions of tons of additional greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide, have spilled into our atmosphere at the rate of about 50 billion metric tons each year. Too much for nature to process on its own. This excess of greenhouse gases causes changes in our climate, including record temperatures, weather extremes, droughts, all affecting our food supply and safety. Why do these greenhouse gases cause such huge changes in our planet's climate? Well, simply put, they're out of balance. A balanced amount of greenhouse gases in our atmosphere is essential to life as we know it. Without them, Earth's temperatures would plummet to unimaginable cold. On the other hand, when an excess of greenhouse gases builds up, the sun's heat is trapped in our atmosphere. Temperatures rise, and the natural ecosystem becomes unbalanced, causing a cascade of environmental events. The good news is that today we have the opportunity to use technology and our understanding of natural systems to help bring greenhouse gases back into balance. By enabling plants and soils to better capture and balance their shared ecosystem, we can begin to repair some of the damaging effects of carbon emissions on our environment. One way to offset fossil fuel emissions is an often overlooked opportunity found in agriculture. Here's how it works. Through the process of photosynthesis, plants convert sunlight and carbon dioxide into sugars that are partially stored as soil organic carbon. To enhance this process, farmers can practice soil conservation management, including the application of soil microbial technologies such as arbuscular mycorrhizal fungi, or AMF. These beneficial fungi build healthier plants that enhance photosynthesis and restore soil's capability to hold more carbon. While many companies pay for carbon credits to offset their greenhouse gas emissions, some are working to become carbon neutral through more direct actions. Sumitomo Chemical Company and its subsidiary, Valent Biosciences, are applying their agricultural technology and knowledge to empower growers to partner in the endeavor to sequester carbon in the soils. By promoting carbon-smart farming practices among their grower customers, in combination with developing biological soil products containing AMF, these companies are enabling millions of acres of cropland to absorb additional atmospheric carbon to fight climate change. The holistic approach of this carbon sequestration technology is embedded in the Sumitomo chemical culture. Based on the philosophy of Jiririta, it emphasizes that all business must be conducted in the greater public interest. Valent Biosciences continues to research and develop innovative rhizosphere technologies that support sustainable agricultural practices to benefit everyone, because we're all in this greenhouse together. Learn more about AMF and how it can help balance greenhouse gases at valentbiosciences.com and sumitomo-chem.co.jp.